Welcome to our 25th anniversary for Sinclair Tractor. Now, throughout the day, we're going to have lots of events going on. We're going to hear some music today. We're going to have a lot of fun. Weather is looking to be beautiful.
Sinclair Tractor has been a good partner of the Feeding America food banks for many, many years. So this isn't something that's new and different for Sinclair Tractor. They've been here helping hungry Iowans for a long time. They'll be here in the future as well. We're grateful for Sinclair Tractor and the fact that they want to put their influence to work today to raise 2.5 million meals for Iowans and Missourians that are food insecure within their service area.
You know, you can buy John Deere tractors many places around the country, but you can't get service like you can with Sinclair. And that's why all these people are here, because they're customers and also employees. And it's a special event to have your employees here celebrating an anniversary with your business.
Iowa has been blessed with John Deere and all of the factories and all the jobs that come in just because of agriculture, John Deere farming. This is the heartland.
Big round of applause for Sinclair Tractor. Thank you for being here today.